Hi everyone and welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to show you a really cool feature where we will include it on WordPress and you will be able to build fast AI tools in just seconds, any type of tool you want. So in the last video, we learned how to create in WordPress. We just copy paste a few scripts and we needed to mess with the code a little bit. In this case, we won't need to mess with any code. I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress site full of AI tools, and then you can monetize them. You can give access to them through a paid plan to your users or through credits. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. We will turn this into a AI-powered SaaS WordPress platform in just minutes. So the first thing is to have WordPress installed. And second, we will need to install a plugin that you can find in the section below, in the description, or in the comments section. So go there and download the plugin. I already have the plugin downloaded on my computer, so I need to click Add New Plugin and then Upload Plugin, choose File, and the plugin is AI Build, and install now. Now, as soon as I have this installed, you'll see Activate Plugin. So now we have it here, and in here on the left side, you have AI Build Settings. Just go to Create New Tool. Just go to AI Build Settings. And in here, you'll need your Open API key in order for this to work. So getting an Open API key, it's pretty easy. You just need to go to platform.openai.com/APIs. Go to this, create an account if you don't have one, it's free. And then you'll need to click the API keys and create new secret key. I think they'll give you some credits on the free trial or free API tie. If not, you'll need to pay at least $5 to start working with the OpenAI API key, which is very cheap. Now click New Secret API key, just copy your key and just post it here, and then save settings. Now after you save your API key, create new tool, and here is where the magic happens. So you'll be able to create any type of AI tool you want in here. It's pretty powerful, it's pretty fast, and you'll be able to monetize all these tools as much as you want. So just to give you an example, let's create a fast AI tool that creates copy so we can sell a specific product that we have. So let's call this Copy AI Generator. And in the tool description, let's just type this AI tool and make you copy in seconds for your copy proposal in seconds for your product. So here we're going to add a text box. So add field, and this is where we type the name of the variable. So just follow along. You'll understand it later. Product. Just type product. And here is what is your product description. And now let's add another field, which is going to be a drop down. And in here, we will type the name is going to be size. Here we're going to type size of proposal, and here we're going to type the different types of sizes like long and short. Now in here we need the specific prompt that we want to give it to the AI so it can return the results. I already have a prompt for this, so I'm going to just copy paste it. So here it is. Let's type here, let's make this text proposal, and in here we type size form. So basically we say make this proposal in either long or short, whatever you choose. If we choose long, it will say make this proposal in long form. If we choose short, it will make it short. So it's pretty easy. I'm pretty sure you understand how prompts work. So just like we did in the last video, instead of creating all this inside the code, now we have this builder, which make things a lot easier for us to create AI tools. So let's save. Let's hope this works well. and let's see the results. And now we need to grab the short code, copy the short code, and now we need to create a page, add new page, so we can include the short code, which is the tool. We can call this copy AI, and in here, let's type short code. Let's type a short code and publish. So I'm gonna open this page, and hopefully this will be working fine. Let's center this a little bit. So I have to go back. Let's edit this in Elementor. So now here in Elementor, just click here and let's change this, and let's use the center tag and publish. In here, make sure you delete these. Just leave the WP maker. You can just leave the P's and the WP maker. Save this, publish. And now here, my product is called Mastermind and predicts what people will say beforehand. Something like that. You can type the name of your product, anything you want about your product, what you want it to do, how do you want to market it, what is the target audience, whatever you want. And then in here, you just choose long or short. Let's start with short to mid, and you'll see it's thinking, and there it is. Boom. Hey there, have you wished? How could predict the future with AI Mastermind? Now you can. This incredible tool. This is pretty awesome, guys. It's working perfectly. You can use this, even gives you the hashtags. So let's see the long form. This is really exciting. Imagine how many tools you can create with this. So this is more a formal and a little bit longer. You can even type in the prompt how long, how many words you want it to be, so people don't have a very long version of it and spend a lot of tokens. So you can define all that in the prompt. Yeah, so this is pretty unbelievable. Yes, so how you can turn this into a SaaS. So let's say you have a lot of these different AI tools, or you can have premium tools that will only be accessible through a premium paid plan. And then you have free tools. So how to do that? You have two ways on doing that. You'll need a WooCommerce plugin to install the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress. And you'll need, I already have here mine, and then you'll need a plugin called Paid Membership Pro to handle restrictions and how people can access your pages or tools. If you want people to access your tools or have limitations to access your tools through coins or credits, you can use this other plugin, which is pretty famous, which is called MyCrit, this one here. So it's up to you. How do you want to monetize your tools? I'm going to leave you all the links from these tools and plugins and some tutorials on how to install them down in the description below. But this is how you can create pretty fast any type of business with AI tools on your site and create a SaaS business out of this. Hope you join our school community, Lazy Stack, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.